my freedom fighters. Dedication to my freedom fighters. Viva to my black people live sifa. Put am leader from the streets ngithi dala sifa. They fought for freedom ngithi manje siyakhipha. Those kwela from the street bedliwe khona. Only I can say you usendlela beyifunwa. Black empowerment ngithi bokukhulwa. Phansi nge-African siphezulu ngesingisi. Toy from the street ivusi engaphuma. Smelling tea against from efoneni besifa. Kirila gijima dubulupo payipiva. From the street of Soweto calling Makabane. Young generation had the ability to obey. Blazing the street of Soweto, never looking it over. We were uprooting all over the street of Soweto, throwing stones to those mellow yellows. Viva Makabane, Steve Biko, Chris Hani, Mahatma Gandhi, Joe Slovo, Walter Sisulu, Joe Modise, Lilian Ngoyi, Ziyezi Mashini, Govin Begi, Oliver Tambo, Helen Joseph, Nelson Mandela, Albertina Sisulu. But to my black people live sifa. Put am leader from the streets ngithi dala sifa. They fought for freedom ngithi manje siyakhipha. Kirila gijima ntwana mash phumi bazoo. Nabasaba sibasabi no sabafuni. Obaba mkhulu dala bastrayila babathula. Nebantu education naseskele beyifunda. What happened to Biko? What happened to Hani? Many freedom fighters were sent to the island. I mean Robben Island to serve their sentence. They are sentenced, they didn't give an inch of a black human being. We just saw racist places for the time being. Every time a black man was a suspect, we had same blood, same vision, same mission. There was a war between the black and white nation. We couldn't even share same seats, we couldn't even share same schools. They're the white chick, damn man, that's a crime. Power to my freedom fighters, damn, that's a struggle. The year 1976, June 16. RIP, Hector Peterson, RIP, Steve Biko, RIP, Gavin Begi, RIP, Chris Hani.